Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes a great leader great? Well, it's the power of implementing feedback to best fit with employees. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a leadership effectiveness survey with Formaloo. A leadership effectiveness survey is a valuable tool used to assess and measure the performance of leaders within an organization. This survey gathers feedback from various stakeholders, including employees and peers, to evaluate key aspects of leadership. It typically covers areas such as communication skills, vision and strategy, team building, and problem solving. The feedback collected can offer insights into a leader's strengths and areas for improvement, guiding the development of tailored improvement plans. And as you can see with Formaloo's tools, we can make a well-designed, comprehensive survey just like this one, with multiple customization options to get the most out of our employees' feedback. Let's get started. After making a blank form on Formaloo, or using our Leadership Effectiveness Survey template, we can get started on creating and customizing our survey. So to change the title, we simply have to double-click on the side to edit, and on our main page, we have multiple options to customize our survey, and these options include a name, an email, a single choice, multiple choice, yes, no, a seaside option, and even a score ranking. Now on the Design tab, we have the option of showing the form as one question at a time or a classic form, showing all the questions on one page. We can also change the color, shuffle the fields order, and even there's default themes. You also have the option of changing the corner roundness of your entire form. Next, in the Notify Me tab, we have the option to send the submitted data to their submitter so they have a copy of the responses. Now, for additional help, check out our Helpdesk articles or access our live chat. Our articles are updated regularly, so for new updates, be sure to check it out for the latest news. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.